Episode 44, The Leadership of Repair, and the Culture We Carry Across Distance. Welcome, dear listener, to The Invisible Power. I am the Zen Master, and today we explore a quiet, courageous act: repair. This episode is about the leadership of repair, the art of mending what's been strained, restoring what's been lost, and reconnecting across distance. And in a world of distributed teams and hybrid rhythms, we ask, how do we repair culture when we're no longer in the same room? To answer that, we turn to the insights of Paul Hudson, CEO of Sanofi, who reminds us, culture is not where we are. It's how we show up. Yoga and the posture of repair. In yoga, repair is not dramatic. It's subtle. It's the micro-adjustment in a pose. The breath that softens resistance. The moment you return to the mat after time away. The Bhagavad Gita reminds us, no effort is ever wasted, and no obstacle is ever permanent. Repair begins with presence, not with fixing others, but with returning to ourselves, to the breath, to the body, to the intention. Qigong and the flow of reconnection. In Qigong, energy doesn't break, it blocks. And repair is not about force, it's about flow. Try this practice. Reconnection flow. A stand with feet grounded. Inhale, drawing your arms wide, opening space. Exhale, bringing your hands to your heart, gathering presence. A repeat slowly, visualizing energy returning to relationship. This is the rhythm of repair. Not confrontation, not avoidance, but reconnection. Repairing culture in a distributed world. Paul Hudson, in his reflections on Sanofi's hybrid transformation, offers a powerful insight. Culture is not built in hallways. It's built in habit, in a distributed office. Trust is not proximity, it's consistency. A belonging is not location, it's inclusion. A repair is not a hallway chat, it's a conscious act. If you're a manager, this means naming the rupture, or inviting feedback even when it's uncomfortable, a modeling vulnerability even when it's virtual. And if you're not yet a manager, you still carry culture. Every message you send, every silence you hold, every moment you choose to reach out instead of retreat. Invisible power lives here. In the micro repairs, the quiet acknowledgments, the rituals that say, we're still connected. Laozi and the strength of softness. Laozi reminds us, the soft overcomes the hard. The gentle overcomes the rigid. Repair is not weakness. It's wisdom. It's the strength to return. To apologize. To ask, how can we begin again? In a hybrid world, this is more vital than ever. Because distance doesn't dissolve culture. It reveals it. A practice for the week. Here's something to try. Think of one relationship, at work or in life, that feels frayed. Ask, what was left unsaid? What needs to be acknowledged? What small act could begin the repair? Then do it. Send the message. Make the call. Name the moment. And if you lead a team, ask, what rituals are we missing? What stories are we not telling? How can we make space for repair, not just performance? Closing reflections plus teaser for episode 45. Repair is not about going back. It's about going deeper. It's the invisible power that turns rupture into renewal. Thank you for joining me in this quiet exploration. If this episode resonated, share it with someone who's ready to rebuild. Someone who knows that culture is not a place, it's a practice. And next time, in episode 45, we'll explore the leadership of ritual. We'll ask, how do rituals create rhythm in remote teams? How do we design moments that matter, even across screens? And how can ritual become the heartbeat of culture? Until then, keep walking gently, keep pushing wisely. And remember, repair is not a detour. It's the way forward. This was The Invisible Power, episode 44. Be well.